In this video, we're going to learn about switch. So let's switch it up by first of all deleting this or cutting it out, turning operator, let you be gone, evil spirit, and copy it in here. Okay, now let's check out the switch statement. So the switch statement evaluates an expression, matching the expression's value to a case value. So we'll see, we will create cases, and executes the statements associated with the case, as well as statements in cases that follow the matching case. Okay, so this was hopefully really confusing. So let's give an example. Let's say car. Actually, I have to create let car, and let's assign it to Tesla again. And now let's create a switch statement. So we'll use the switch keyword, and this will take in a variable of car. Now within curly braces, we'll create a case, and our first case will be if it's a Tesla. Then column should console log your car is a Tesla. Okay, and now we need to break. So this, when this happens, we need to create a break, and the case will break here. Now let's create the next case, and this case will be Audi. And if this case happens, then we will console log your car is a Audi. Now we need to break again, and the last thing, when it's all over, we need to also create a default. So this will be the default value if both of them are not true. And now we'll console log again, you have a bicycle exclamation mark. Okay, that's here a small mistake. So car Tesla. Now it's checking the car. First case, if the car is Tesla, yes it is, then console log Tesla. If I would now change the car to Audi and hit save, now it's checking, okay, the car is now an Audi. I need to console log your car is an Audi, and it breaks, it doesn't continue. If I would change the car now to a Dacia, which case does not exist, let's see what happens now. Now we get you have a bicycle. We can also use template literals in switch statements. So let me copy this, and let's say within here we're going to use a template literal. Actually, I could have left that in, but we don't want the string. And I'm just going to take in here the car. Okay, so I'm going to copy this into here and into here, and change this. Oh no, I didn't want to copy it in here. And change this also to a template literal, and take out the. Okay, so now let's test this again. We're going to comment out Audi and Dacia. So we're getting Tesla, so we're getting exactly the same results. If I comment in Audi, see we're getting the same results from here, from our second case. And if I comment in Dacia, we are getting you have a bicycle. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.